How to change the Hulu email address. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Hulu email address. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first step is to open up any of your web browser and then open up hulu.com. It will take you to the welcome or home page. Now at the top left corner, tap on the login button. Provide your email address and then the password to get logged in. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon which is also on the top right corner. Once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. Once you click on account, it will take you to manage your account page. Now if you want to change your email, tap on manage with My Disney. Next, tap on the edit icon or pen icon right next to your email address. Once you tap on it, it will send you a OTP on your email box. So open up your Gmail and copy the verification code and then paste it on this verification box. Now you will land to another page. Now here you can give your new email address that you want to set up. Once you have entered your new email address, tap on save and continue. And this is how you can easily change your email address on Hulu. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.